Today's role play will focus on examining the diverse perspective of various stakeholders regarding innovative techniques recent in its remote work policy. As we all know, the company has been undergoing significant growth, which has brought new challenges in maintaining effective communication, collaboration, and a cohesive corporate culture. These challenges are not common for organizations experiencing expansion, but addressing them effectively is critical for our long-term success. The purpose of this session is to delve into the concerns, suggestions, and hopes of key stakeholders, including employees, managers, suppliers, and investors. Each of these groups plays an integral role in shaping the company's direction and adapting to this policy change. As part of this exercise, we will also explore ways to align employee needs with organization goals, ensuring we strike the right balance between flexibility and structure. This balance is essential for fostering innovation, driving productivity, and achieving sustainable growth. Furthermore, we aim to identify practical strategies and solutions that will help us strengthen teamwork, enhance communication, and maintain a strong corporate culture. Let's take this opportunity to engage in constructive dialogue and collaboration, ensuring that the insight we gain today will help us navigate this transition effectively. Together, we can work towards a future that benefits all stakeholders and position innovative tech-ins as a leader in the industry.
So everyone is here. We can start the meeting now. Innovative Tech Incorporated is shifting its employee remote work policy due to changing organizational needs and market conditions. So our company previously allowed employees to work remotely on a flexible basis. But as our company has grown, we need to face more challenges in maintaining communication, collaboration, and a cohesive culture cooperation. Additionally, management believes that to returning to a more structured work schedule will foster better teamwork and innovation. So, manager, you can start with the question.
Okay. So for the first question, what do you all think the problem that facing the company now?
Okay, our major problem for our team is difficult in maintaining consistent communication and cooperation among them members due to the remote work.
Okay, as for the suppliers, I think that the major problem is the delays in the decision makings and the response due to the challenges in maintaining the effective communication with the remote teams. This I think is a very major problem that we facing companies. How about you?
So according to the review that I collected, I suggest the company to maintaining consistent communication and collaboration within the team has become a challenge, especially when team members are spread across different locations and time zones.
Okay, now I will try to solve the question now, and then I will try how to improve the challenges that we face out to our company. So next, what is the question?
Okay, so for the second question, any suggestion to solve the problem?
Okay, for our team suggestion, we got that implement a hybrid work model with structure in office day can improve our teamwork and also organize a regular team building activities to expand connection.
Okay, as a suppliers, I think the better way to solve the problem is maybe the company will try to introduce a dedicated squad of contracts or the streamlined communication system for the suppliers so that to ensure the timely and the efficiency interactions regardless of remote or in the office arrangement because this one interaction is very important for our supplier because we not just only have a cooperation with the company, we also have the collaboration in other company also. So maybe the time management is very important for us because we need to try to manage to send the supplies to use in the time that we need.
Customer review, we could implement hybrid team building exercise and structure communications tools such as regular virtual meetings and project management software to bridge the gap. Additionally, we should focus on creating clear performance metrics to ensure accountability.
Okay, faced with this problem, I will try to solve the question, but it will take a little bit of time. I will try to find out more the solution we can make to how to improve our company. And then I will try to ask the other company to also help us to how to try to solve this question. So now we can move to the next question.
For the third question, do you all have any hope like to convene for the company?
Okay, our hope from our company is we will have a new policy will lead to the improvement of teamwork, stronger innovation, and a more unified corporate culture. How's the teamwork we want? Like boss, I think that we need a new plan to let us increase our teamwork more again, like team building activities or increase the team building activities and so on. And the stronger innovation, I think that we need to improve our product we produce, so that we can prove that our innovation is better than other company. And last, a more unified corporate culture, I think it's very good in our company. So I think no need to make. It's also got some space to improve. Let's see our future how to go forward. And how? SUPPLIER?
Okay, I think it's a very good I think for the companies. But however, for us as a suppliers, I hope that for your companies, the structure works must be like improve more operational efficiency. Because I think that your work schedule I think is a little bit big, so you can try to more improvement in this working schedule. For example, like the working time with the workers, between workers, I think maybe we can see the most problem that we see is like we have the meetings, like me as a supplier, meeting with the manager. Maybe we need to meet the 4 to 5 manager, but however, maybe yes, 2 or 3 only come. So I think it's very big in this time schedule because the manager give the reason is they have a meeting or so on. So I think the time schedule must be improved more. However, the company also can try to strengthen the internal collaborations and result in faster decision making for the mutual benefit. Just like what I said just now in the suggestions, maybe you can try to improve more in the decision making, because if I as a supplier I want to work with you, I need to think that you need to give me the decision as fast as possible, because we want to provide the items that we give to you in times so that you can benefit to your company and also benefit to me as a supplier. So I hope that your company can try to strengthen your structure work schedules and decision making as it is from me as a suppliers.
How about you? Based on the review of customer service, I hope that the shift to a small structured work schedule will strengthen our team dynamics and ensure that all employees feel aligned with the company's goal and culture, ultimately improving customer satisfaction.
Schedule tabling is too hard to compare. Based on our every workers, they have different times to how to work in their time. And then our company face this problem, it takes many times to how to solve this question. And then compared to the teamwork, maybe the employees, every employee have their different ideas. Our company suggests based to their idea to the employees, we can choose the best idea or the it can improve our company which is innovative tech operation to solve this question, or we can ask maybe our shareholder or shareholders to help us how to compare or change the schedule work or the table to improve our employees nowadays.
For supplier, we would like to know what's the reason that your company would like to cooperate with us.
Okay, for the reason for our company to want to invest with your company because I think two the most reason that I think is first of all is your company is focusing on the innovation. I think innovation is very important for our future because in our life we need more innovations. But in your company, I see that a lot of innovation that you have done in it. So we try to want to know more about the innovation that you have done. The management dedication to the forestation teamwork and the innovation through the structural work policy that the company show is have a very high proactive approach to driving a creative solution and staying ahead in a very competitive market in nowadays. And the second one is about the scalabilities. Your company's scalabilities has the ability to address a growing pain such as the communications and collaboration challenge. Demonstrate the resilience and the strategic forage, which are the very critical for the long-term growth and success. Is I think the strong reason that we want to cooperate with your companies.
So thank you the suppliers to trust us in our company. We will try it better in the future. So manager, for the next question.
Okay, for the next question, what is the benefit of working from home for you all?
Okay, based on our teams, we think that the benefit of working from home is it will increase our employee flexibility working times, and also we will get a better work-life balance. About the flexibilities, I think the boss can. I think boss say right that working from home is very disadvantage for this company. But I think that is a good thing to employee. You know why? Because employee work flexibility will increase the productivity. So we will not burn out so quickly. And then the work-life balance, same as the flexibilities, work-life balance is talk about that. The life and the work. Work is work. Life is life. So that's for our opinion, because the flexibility and work life is the same things. But I think you know that because boss also work from employees, right? That's our opinion.
Okay, I agree also with the opinions that sent from the employee, the supplier.
Thank you for that.
Okay, as a supplier, I think that the remote works can allow the employee to manage their time very efficiently, which that they can enhance the focusing and the productivity. For example, like maybe they can do in a very suitable conditions. If I give an example, if they only in poor conditions, like maybe in the midnight, I think that midnight is the time is the employees sleep, right? Most of the employees will not have the stamina or the focusing in doing the production. So maybe they working at home, they can maybe like do it a little bit, maybe not like in midnight, maybe they can do it in the free time. This can provide more better productivity. So besides that, I think that it also indirectly will benefiting the external partner like me as a supplier. Why we say like that? Because if you do the working from home, maybe you can like have a meeting whatever time that we have the free. But I think it's also the advantage of it because most of them we cannot manage the time in the same time. But I think it's also one of the benefit that working from home because we can do it meetings or something else like during a suitable time zone that's suitable for everyone. I think it's for me as a supplier.
Based on the opinion of employee, I think working from home allows employee greater flexibility that can improve work-life balance and reduce community stress, leading to increased job satisfaction and productivity.
I understand the working from home. It takes many advantage to our employees, suppliers and others. But I know they are working from home, maybe they need to go the location which is into our company, they need to pay the fee, maybe they need the transportation. So nowadays I know our economy still stable, and then I will try better for the improvement in the company. So we can move the next question.
Okay, so we move to the last question. What do you all think about the disadvantage of working from home?
So, our team represented employee. The disadvantage of working from home is it will reduce face-to-face interaction that they may lead to isolation. What is reducing face-to-face interaction? Like we working from home, right? We not have many times working at the office, so it will make a situation that manager want to call this person to work, but the person is not active. They will making a image that we will not remember that workers. So it will lead to isolation. Isolation is that because we have no build our teamwork on our company, the isolation will happen from each workers. Like this worker will do his own work only, and this worker will do his own work only. But this is not the things for the company we want, right, boss? So I think we need to decrease the isolation. Next, it will also lead to a weaker team relation. Say as a isolation scenarios, we need to decrease the isolation scenario. Okay, that's all. And next, the challenge in the maintaining a cohesive company culture. Okay, the most challenge we think that is the employee decreasing activity in working in the office. So it will affect the cohesive company culture. You know that, right, boys? Okay, that's my opinion for me.
Yeah, this advantage, this also was the innovation that I know from most company lah.
Yeah, that's because isolation is the most
Serious that we see in the among all the companies lah.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
Yeah, then I think that besides that, the disadvantage from the working home got a very big problem indeed is like it slower the communication between the employee and the other guys. I think it's the most feature that we see in the company for the nowadays. For example, like or maybe one worker is working, but the other worker is working from homes. However, there are two works is different. Maybe one worker A do his part already, but however worker B don't have any information about what worker A is doing and how many work that day the worker A is done already. So maybe it can make the misinteraction between the workers and workers. This also cause like the isolation that talked by just now the representative like of the employees, because this communication is very important for a company. Without communications, how you want to improve your company, how do you want to provide your things. Besides that, as a supplier, I also need a person to interact with me, because if the worker is working from home, he didn't have any ideas about what company they provide, what company they're doing, how I want to give you the supplies. You know, if the worker they working from home, they just give me the faces information, not the just information. They give me the surface structure about the information only. That they didn't given the more detail. How we know that they miss or something else? Maybe your company miss the important items. Then if you want me as a supplier to give you in as fast as possible, it's impossible. Directly give you is impossible. We need also have time to prepare, right? So you need to try to give me the confirm details information. So I think that the working from home, I not so suggest for your company to do it because innovation is needed is communication between one to each other. So this working from home, I'm not very not agree that you do it in company because innovation is very important to do the innovations in your company lah. Is it right?
Based on the opinion from supplier, I can conclude that the disadvantage of working from home is can lead to feelings of isolation, reduced collaboration, and difficulty in maintaining a unified team culture, which are essential for delivering top-tier customer service. This structure helps the managers gather relevant insights while addressing the ongoing transition effectively.
Correct.
So nowadays, I know working from home is maybe other company used to set attendance for their employees, but our company to make sure to face, sometimes we not need to use working from home, and then we make sure then we the booking process to make sure our employee to do complete to our test, and then working from home it take many disadvantages and then I try to solve this in the future. So thank you all to give me opinions, and then I'll try better to how to improve our company's innovative tech innovation in the future. So dismissed.
Okay.
To conclude, today's role play has been an insightful and productive exercise shedding light on the challenges, opportunities, and diverse perspectives surrounding innovative tech transition in its remote work policy. We have explored how this change impact key stakeholders, employees, managers, suppliers, and investors, and have identified valuable suggestions for overcoming obstacles while maximizing benefits. By focusing on effective communication, stronger collaboration, and fostering a culture of innovation, we can ensure that this transition supports the company's long-term vision. At the same time, balancing employee flexibility while restricted operation will allow us to maintain high level of productivity and employee satisfaction. The feedback and insight gathered here today will serve as a foundation for developing actionable strategies that align with our organization goal. As we implement these changes, we must remain adaptable and proactive, continuously evaluating the policy's effectiveness and making adjustments where necessary. Let's use this opportunity to strengthen our corporate culture, strengthen stakeholder trust, and position innovative tech-ins for sustainable success in an increasingly competitive market. Together, by embracing both the challenges and opportunities ahead, we can build a stronger, more resilient organization that thrives on collaboration, innovation, and shared goals.